We need some real content on the pages now. First, let's look at a content element which is already inside the page tree on the page title licensee. This is a content element of the type text with image, and as you can see, it contains some body text and an image. However, when we view the page, we don't see this element, we just see the dummy content from before. To change that, we must add some typoscript that renders the content, and in our case we will install the extension called CSS styled content, and that will do this for us. And after we have installed this extension, we'll have to go to the template module and enable the new extension for our template record. So editing the template record and in the list of static templates content, and then you save the template record. In the template analyzer you can see that the static template has been included now, and if you click its title you can also see the long list of TypoScript code inside of it. And all this is what we were saved from typing in again when we use this extension. To really use the objects defined in the static template we included, we must edit the setup field of our template record again. And here you simply find the definition of the dummy page content, and then you remove that definition and copy the object path called styles.content.get, and then you save the template and view the front end. Now you click your way to the page licensee where the page content element was found, and yes, it was there. And in the HTML source of the page you can now see how both the menu and the page content cell of the main table has been filled in with dynamic content from Typo 3. Also notice how the page content element has been marked up with standard HTML tags with classes. Back in the object browser, we can now take a look at what was copied into the object tree with the styles content get object path. And we'll find it right here. And apparently it was a content object selecting records from the TT content table. The rendering of each record selected is done in the top level object called TT content. And as you can see, that is controlled by a PHP function from the CSS styled content extension. If we go to the extension manager, we can take a look at that file. And here you see a large switch construct. Just a second, we'll have to locate the file. It is right there. And this is where you see the switch construct, which generates different content based on the value of the record field ctype. Apart from this, you will also find a function in this file for each of the content element types. If you need special rendering for some content elements, you can simply write an extension class for this class, and with full backwards compatibility you can extend the rendering.